Just give me a second. Good morning to all. Can you hear me?
Morning, sir.
No, no. सही repeat होने लगता. Okay. So yesterday we were doing chapter number 4. Everyone turn on your camera, please.
Sir.
Good morning to all. Can you hear me? Am I
Yes.
audible?
Yes.
But you are not audible.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Say something.
Yeah, I have a question in the check your
Yes.
progress 4.3.
Yeah, just give me a second. I'm taking order. Yeah. Page number.
115.
Page number 115. Yeah.
It's the eighth one, sir.
Eighth one. Yesterday we did this, no?
Yeah, I'm getting confused with that one only.
Okay. No problem. We'll solve it again. 56y8. Okay. So, oh my God. I hate this. Because there is no light. So I have to, I think, turn off my camera and then I have to teach you. But everyone turn on a camera. Rest, everyone turn on a camera. Okay. Okay. So, um, yeah, this is the question 1 minus 256 y to the power of 8. So how to solve this question? See, first of all, we have to do the prime factorization of 256, which is 2, 128, 2, 64, then 2, 32, then 2, 16, then 2, 8, then 2, 4, then 2, 2, 2, 2. So 256 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 to the power of 8. We can write it down that thing. Simple as that. Okay. Now 1 minus 2 to the power of 8, y to the power of 8. Can I write it like this? Now we know that even whatever the power of 1 will be, the answer will be 1. Okay. So can I write like this also? 1 to the power of 8 minus 2 to the power of 8. 2y has the power of 8. Did you understand, Anna, now? Anna, did
Yes,
you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, 1 has the power of 8. So, now it is in the, can I split it like this? 1 has the power of 4, and then 2 minus 2y has the power of 4 and 2. Is it in the form of a square minus b square? Yes.
Yes, sir.
a square, a square minus b square, where a is equals to 1 to the power of 4 and b is equals to 2y has the power of 4. So can I write it like this? 1 a plus b, a minus b? Yes or no? So it means that I can write it like this. 1 has the power of 4 plus 2y has the power of 4. Okay. This is a plus b into a minus b, which is 1 to the power of 4 minus 2y has the power of 4. Understood? Yes or no? Okay, now 1 to the power, now this again, it will split it like this. 1 has the power of 4 plus 2y has the power of 4. It is the one term. And I can split it in this way. 1 has the power of 2 and 2 minus 2y has the power of 2 and 2. I split it again, the same thing. So it is again a square minus b square, where a is equals to 1 square and b is equals to 2y square. It will become like this. 1 1 has the power of 4 plus 2y is the power of 4, which is the same step, the previous step which I took. And then 1 square plus 2y square and 1 square minus 2y square. Understood? This thing I split it again. A square minus b square means a plus b, a plus b, and a minus b, a minus b. Understood? Then 1 4 plus 2y has the power of 4. Now a, this thing same. Now a square minus b square, which is a plus b and a minus b. So 1 plus 2y and 1 minus 2y. This is the final answer. Understood? Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Everyone understood?
Or I had a in the same 4.3 out of I couldn't get the sixth one and the 17th.
Sixth one, you didn't get it. Sixth one, you didn't get it?
No, I didn't get the sixth and the 17th.
Okay, the sixth one is x into x plus y whole cube. Okay. X into x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. This is the first thing. Okay. Now you have to solve this. So it will now we have to find first what is thing. These are the two terms, one term and the second term. Now what there is a common between them. What is the common between them?
X plus Y.
Even x plus y is there, and even if you will see this is x term and this is x term, this is also common. So I'll write this also like this x. So x and x plus y both are common. Now in this x is gone out, okay, and x plus y whole cube was there. So out of this, one x plus y went out. So what is remain behind? X plus y square. Yes or no? Yes or no? This was x into x plus y whole cube, and this x is gone out like this. And x plus y cube was there. Out of this, one x plus y went out. So the remaining behind is 2, 1. No? So that's why I wrote 2. Minus 3xy. No, 3, no xy. 3y. Why? Because x gone out. Yes or no? X gone out now. And the x plus y is also out, which is the thing. So the question is x, x plus y, x plus y whole square minus 3y. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes.
Are you getting any disturbance from my side? Okay. Why this phone heats? Basically, there is no light here. Now, because of the thing, it's become the temperature of my mobile increases and became heated up. Okay, done? Shall I erase this? Okay, now the next topic is
So could you do the 17 something?
oh sorry. 17. Did I taught you middle term splitting? Okay, now it will come. Hmm.
So,
A8. Yeah.
so practically for all these questions, we have to just make sure that they're equal to one of the formulas that you've given.
Yes. This is the main thing. Okay, now this is the question. This is this. A4. I will do this like A8 minus 47 A4. Can I write like this? Minus 47 A4 means Okay, this is the answer.
Sir, I had a
Can you
question.
see that?
Yeah.
So I'll now teach this. Okay. Now, what I did, A8 is given, 47, A4 is given, and 1 is given. Please pay attention. Okay. Okay. Now, A4 has the power of 2. Okay. So it is given. A4, like I split it A8 as A4 has the power of 2. Simple as that. Understood? No. Yeah. And then 47 A4, 47 A4. Okay. And then 1 square is 1 square like this. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Now, what I did a step adding and subtracting 49A4. I just add this and subtract it so that I'm adding the step. So it means that if I will cancel it out, then the answer will be 0. And the same step, which is the previous one, I followed that. Okay. Why I did this? So that if I will solve this, I will get plus 2a to the power of 4. Understood? Yes or no? So this step is necessary to solve this question. What I did, adding and subtracting, plus 49a has the power of 4. So plus 49a has the power of 4, minus 49a has the power of 4. If I will cut it, it will become 0. And the previous step which I got is the same step. I didn't change the previous step. Understood? Yes or no? So plus 49a4 minus 49a4. Both the things are there. Now, what will I do? That if I will solve this, this is minus 47a4 and plus 49a4. So it will become plus 2a has the power of 4. Now a square plus b square plus 2 into ab. So this will become a plus b whole square like this. A plus b whole square. Understood? No. Yes or no? Tell me. Did you understand? And I didn't hear what you said.
Straight, sir.
Okay. So now a plus b whole square minus 49a has the power of 4. So can I write 49 as 7 square? And a has the power of 4, so I split it into 2 and 2. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now this is a square minus b square. So can I write like A plus B, A minus B? So A is equals to A4 plus 1 and B is equals to 7A square. So A plus B, A minus B. This is important question. You can mark it as important.
Sir,
Yeah.
why 49A to the power of 4?
Because why I add only 49? Because if you will see that I need like for the property of A square plus B square plus 2AB1, like A square plus B square plus 2AB. So if you will compare it with this part and this part, you will see that 47 is there. So I have to make it 2. Minus 47 is there. I have to make it 2. So that's why I took 49. So that when you will solve it, you will get answer as 2 and you can use the property. Understood?
So if the sum was different, we could choose any number that would get it to 2A.
Yeah. So that we can use the property. Write it down quickly. Okay, done? Yeah. So now we will start new topic. I hope you guys taking a screenshot for Anushka. Okay. So now we will learn factorization of polynomial involving sum or difference of two cubes. Now in this question, let me write the heading for you guys. Okay, this is a question. Factorization of polynomial involving sum and difference of two cube. This is a question. Okay. Now, how to solve these types of question? Um, so first of all, you should know this property x cube plus y cube. What is the property of this, Anna? Anna, do you know what is the property of x cube plus y cube?
I kind of forgot that one, sir.
Very good. Anna, you know?
Is it x squared plus 3A squared B? 3A.
No, no, no,
Okay,
no.
then it
This
is
is not.
x plus y, x squared plus AB plus.
No, 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 no. X plus y into x square minus xy. Okay? Minus xy plus b square. And same x cube minus y cube property is x minus y into x square minus xy plus b square. So this property you should know, then only you can do this question, these types of question. Understood? Write it down first. Okay, done. Now we'll do the question based on this. Okay. Okay. Now the question is,
Can you go back 1 second? Okay, so
the question is 64a cube minus 27b cube. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Yes. Means can I write 64 as like this? 4 cube. 4 cube a cube minus 3 cube b cube, like 4a cube minus 3b cube. Yes or no? Yes or no? So it means that it is in the form of a cube minus b cube, where a is equals to 4a and b is equals to 3b. Now what is the property of this? A minus b, a square minus, sorry, plus ab plus b square. And in the same way, if you will put the values into this, it will become 4a minus 3b, 4a square plus 4a into 3b plus b square, which is 3b square. Simple. Done. Understood? Done?
no, sir.
Very good. Shall I give you one question on based on this?
Wait.
Are you getting any disturbance from my side? Any voices? No?
Okay, sir.
Done? Shall I raise this?
Yes, sir.
Johan, everyone got it, beta?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
there? Johan, today you have your book? Or still you're out of station, beta?
We are not home.
Okay, do this question, everyone. Do this question. Is it easy? Yeah, perfect. Literally, I'm just using my clothes. Like I'm, like I'm putting cloth in the water. Then I just drying it my mobile phone and tab, because there is no air, no light, and because of that, today I'm struggling.
So is it 8 or 3?
8. Done? Very good. Yeah, what's the answer?
2x minus 5y into 2x square plus 2x into 5y plus 5y.
Can you tell it again?
2x minus 5y in brackets. Then in
Hmm.
another bracket, 2x the whole square plus 2x
Hmm.
into 5y plus 5y.
Hmm. Okay, correct. No problem in that. Okay. Now I'll give you one more question. Okay, do this question. How will you do this question? Try this. If you got it, then you will get one eclairs from me.
So the
One eclair.
pastry or the
Huh?
candy? Is it like the pastry from France or is it the candy?
It's a candy, 1 rupees candy.
Then in that case, I have
Yeah. Do you know? I mean, now Mama used to do or not? Like in our times, if we have fever, if we have a good temperature, then Mama used to put a wet handkerchief on our head so that our temperature will come down. And right now, if I will show it to you, I am doing the same thing. Like, no. Oh, okay. Done?
So could you do this? I got confused.
Yeah, that's why. Now you will not get eclairs, any eclairs from my side. Then don't complain, huh?
Okay.
Okay. Now A has the power of 4 and okay. So what we have to do, I first we have to take out common because they both have same, no? So can I write it like this? Now A4 is the common between them. So now this A4 is out. So nothing is left. So I will write 1 and A13, after A13, A4 is out. So it will become A4 once again. Understood, guys? Johan, got it this step? Johan,
Yes, sir.
okay?
Right.
How? Yeah? What happened, Hannah? Hannah, any problem, Hannah? No,
No,
have some
it
problem.
was 4.
Yeah. So now this is the common which I took. Now I have to split it like this. This will become A cube minus A3 cube and again 3. Like this I have to write. Understood? I split it into 3 into 3. Okay. So now it again become like A4 1 cube, which is A cube minus B cube. Okay. Now A plus B, A minus B, same identity I have to put. That becomes 1 minus A cube, then A cube square minus A cube into 1 and into 1 square. Now it should become A4 into, now this is again in the form of A cube minus B cube. Okay. This will again become same, so it will become A to the power of 6 minus A cube plus 1. So it will become again 1 minus A 1 plus A square plus A6 minus A3 plus 1. These are the factors. Got it? No, you didn't get anything. See what I did, nothing else. See, A9 is there, I split into 3 and 3. So it's A cube minus B cube. Yes or no? So it will become A minus B, A square minus AB plus B square. Then this is again in the form of A cube minus B cube. So I just split it this also. A minus B, A square plus B, AB plus B square, and then this one. Understood? Yes or no? Jahoan, you got it? Jahoan? You didn't get Jahoan?
Oh, yeah, yes, I got it.
Pakka? Are you there? Like with the proper setup, then you can turn on your camera, na? Jahoan, you can turn on your camera, please. Yes, good. I thought that you were traveling.
So I didn't get the last part, sir.
The last part. The last part is, if you will see this part, no? 1 minus A cube. Is it like this? Okay. Now 1 minus A cube is not like, it is also in the form of A cube minus B cube, like this. A cube minus B cube. So A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB, like this. Like 2 times I'm using this identity. Got it? Okay. So now today's homework. Today's homework is, um, I'll write this. Page number 116. Question number 3. Question number 4. Question number 7. Question number 10. Question number 11 and question number 12. Now this is their homework. Okay. You want more? Johan wants more. Johan.
No, No, I think this is enough.
Yes, I'm listening. Yes.
I think this is enough. Yeah.
Okay, this is enough. Okay, so you guys have 4 minutes break. Then we'll start our science class.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Anna. Bye. Okay, come back, guys. Turn on your camera. Johan, Johan, Hannah. Okay, so we were doing chapter number 28. Let me take out that chapter. Chapter number 22, sorry. Okay, everyone turn on your camera, please. Okay, so we did this thing, we did saprophyte, we did. Now, today we will learn that what are the essential raw materials which are required for the photosynthesis. Repeat after me. What are the essential materials or raw materials for photosynthesis. Now, for example, if mama is making bhindi ki sabji, bhindi, lady finger, yeah. Say mama is making bhindi ki sabji, then what mama needs? Do you have any idea? Who's the chef? Hannah is chef. Hannah is the chef. Okay. Grace, sorry, Johan, you're a chef.
No.
No, you know how to make Maggie.
Maggie or what?
Okay, Maggie, no cooking. Okay, Johan, are you chef? Johan, Johan, are you there? Johan. Okay. So, like making bhindi ki sabji, we need a lady finger. We need some masala, tail, oil, this thing, na? Then only we can make bhindi ki sabji. Okay. So, in the same way, the chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, these are the essential raw materials for photosynthesis. For example, if chlorophyll is not there, it means that if plant doesn't have chlorophyll, then they won't have any kitchen. Okay. Mama makes food in kitchen or in drawing room or in bedroom where she prepares food. Of course, kitchen, na? If kitchen is not there, if she's doing in bedroom, then in bed the bed clothes will come in cooking and it will become mess. So that's why chlorophyll is the kitchen, like leaf is the kitchen of the plant, and inside that, uh, jo, in chlorophyll, all this reaction happen. So chlorophyll is most important to carry out photosynthesis. Can you read this, Jahan?
To carry out photosynthesis, plants require raw materials, carbon dioxide, water, light, and chlorophyll. Light gives energy for
Yeah.
photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplasts in the cells of leaves. The green color of plants is due to chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is in the
Yeah.
chloroplast. It can trap light.
So yeah. So what is the role of chlorophyll? Is to trap the sunlight. Now sunlight is there, so somebody needs now to trap it and to use that sunlight for the making of food. So that work is by the chlorophyll. So if chlorophyll is not there, then sunlight is not there. If sunlight is not there, so there is no thing. Like for example, we are using induction and gas stove to prepare food. If this is not there, if both are not there, then what will you do? Then you will say, Mama, let's Swiggy it. But they can't Swiggy it, no? They need to prepare their own food, no? So that's why sunlight and the chlorophyll is essential for them. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yeah. Next, sunlight. So sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll for as solar energy. They need energy to prepare their food. Yes. Third point.
Carbon
Third
dioxide
point
and
is yeah. Yes, please. Yeah.
Carbon dioxide and water are combined in the chloroplast with the help of a number of enzymes to yield sugar, which is converted into starch. Oxygen formed during photosynthesis diffuses into the atmosphere through the stomach.
Yeah. So carbon dioxide and water, they combine together to form glucose and oxygen. So this reaction is very, very important for examination point of view. You can understand that here carbon dioxide, water mix together to form glucose, water, and oxygen. Now this oxygen is released by the plant, and the glucose is used by the plant for the energy, like for transportation of food, for growth and development, like this. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now, in the mechanism of photosynthesis, read this.
Photosynthesis can occur in two steps. One, the light reaction, and two, the dark reaction. In the light reaction, light is captured by chloroplast. The reaction occurs in chloroplast. In the dark reaction, glucose is formed. Dark reaction occurs in chloroplast. The dark reaction and light reaction occur simultaneously.
So dark reaction and light reaction. Now what is that? So for example, chlorophyll. What is the role of the chlorophyll? To trap the sunlight. Okay. So this trap the sunlight under the light reaction. This is light reaction because the changing of light, which is solar energy, into a chemical energy, this all comes under the light energy. Understood? So this all comes under light reaction. Now what is dark reaction? Now sunlight is trapped. Now the carbon dioxide and water is changing into glucose. This is called as dark reaction, and they will come simultaneously. Like first light reaction will occur, then dark, light, dark, light, dark. Like this, it will occur. Understood? Yes or no? Johan, are you there, Johan? Understood, Johan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next part. What happened?
What happens to the end products of photosynthesis? As seen in figure 22.1, glucose is formed in photosynthesis. It is either used up by the cells or is converted and stored in forms of starch. The other end product, oxygen, is released into the atmosphere. Energy is released during photosynthesis.
Yeah.
Significance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is responsible for providing food to all living beings. Carbon
Yeah,
dioxide
perfect.
respiration of all living beings is used up during photosynthesis and does not accumulate in the atmosphere. Oxygen
Hmm.
released during photosynthesis is used for respiration by living beings.
So you can understand that significance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, like providing food for the plants, they providing carbon dioxide during respiration and all living beings. So basically, if plants are not there, then carbon dioxide percentage, which is 0.01 percentage in the atmosphere, will come up with 2%, 3%, 10%, 15%, because plants are not there and carbon dioxide is accumulating in the environment. So to reduce this, plants are there, they are taking up carbon dioxide, making their food and releasing oxygen so that the balance will be there. Okay. Even 0.01% if carbon dioxide will increase now, then you know what happened. Global warming will occur. The temperature of the earth will increase by many things because carbon dioxide, like we will learn in the coming chapter, what carbon dioxide will do, like this is earth. So carbon dioxide will make a covering like this, and the sunlight which is coming from sun, they will like before normally it happens like this, that sunlight which is coming from sun, they hit the sun, they hit the earth, they reflect back and the reflect back into the space. This is normal way. But now the sunlight which is coming, they are not going back into the space, but they are trapped here in the earth. That's why the temperature of the earth is increasing and the glaciers are melting. So because of this, carbon dioxide is accumulated. Now, so to reduce that, they used plants carbon dioxide. They take carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. Understood, guys? No. Okay. Next part.
Nutrition in humans. The food that we eat consists of many different items of food. You may prefer to take more of one type of food and less of another. Does your diet fulfill your body's requirement? Does it satisfy your taste buds or your body needs? Think. For healthy growth and development in body, you need to eat food that provides enough of all essential nutrients. What does the
Yeah.
term nutrient? Nutrients are chemical
Underline
substances.
this. Yeah.
Nutrients are
Yeah.
chemical substances present in our food which nourish our body.
So
Nutrients.
nutrients is basically, you can understand it like this: food. Food is anything. Whatever we are eating, it digesting. It is called as food. For example, if you are eating burger daily, this is food. Okay. If you are eating kurkure, it's food. It is food because you are eating, no? But is it healthier? That's main important. That's called as balanced diet, by the way. For example, if I am eating only burger, then I will become burger. Okay. Or if I'm only eating pizza, then there are many tires. MRF tires will develop in my stomach. Huh? And I become a sumo wrestler. Yes or no? So basically, this will happen because this is not a nutritious food. This is only a food, junk food, which I am eating to satisfy my taste buds. Oh, mayonnaise. Aha. Oh, Szechuan sauce. Mm-hmm. Bas, ho gaya. So this is not the food. So nutrition is basically it's the substances that are present in the food which nourishes our body, which helps in growth and development in many ways. Next part. Nutritions are of three types: energy yielding nutrition, bodybuilding nutrition, and growth regulating nutrition. Now, energy is like we get energy from carbohydrates. For example, if sometimes if you feel that you are not having any energy, you are being tired, then eat either sugar or eat either like that Sting, Sting energy drink, Red Bull. If you will check the content listener, they have a lot of amount of carbohydrates or a caffeine. So they gives us like energy through that only. So carbohydrates and fats, they have a great energy yielding property. They gives us energy to do work. Okay. So second one is bodybuilding nutrition. Like gymmers who do gyms. Grace, I mean sorry, Jahoan. Oh, Hannah do gym. Wow, wow. I don't know that. Very good. And Jahoan, you do gym? No. Johan, Johan, are you there? Johan,
Oh, yes, sir.
you do gym?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you are gymmers. So you know that for doing gyms we need a protein source. Like gym trainer also say, hey, don't eat burger, pizza, and all. Just eat raw chicken or egg or protein shake, this shake, that shake. So why? Because these are the protein rich elements which gives us which helps in our making body, strengthening our muscles and bones like this. So it's called as bodybuilding nutrition. And growth regulating nutritions are vitamins and minerals. Like for example, if like I don't know you observed or not, if you are having fever again and again or tiredness again and again, or you become sick again and again, then no, then doctor will give you the vitamins and minerals that take vitamin B12, take vitamin C, this vitamin, that vitamin. They will give a lot of vitamins medicine. Why? Because vitamin medicines give, like protects our body from disease. It helps us to fight from disease. So this is the role of vitamins and minerals in our body. Understood, guys? No. Okay. Okay. Now read this in your own. I mean, read this by your own and still here. And if you have any problem, then ask me. Okay, done. Now, if you will see, there are two types of vitamins are there: fat soluble and water soluble. Now, what is you may mean by fat soluble? Water soluble, those vitamins who can be dissolved in water is called as water soluble. Now, for example, do you know lemon juice or lemonade? Yes, lemon juice. We have lemon. We squeeze lemon in the water. So, did lemon dissolve in water? Did lemon dissolve in water for making lemonade? Yes. So these, because lemon has vitamin C, because lemon has vitamin C, so vitamin C is water soluble. It can dissolve in water. So that's why lemon juice can dissolve in water. Understood? So there are two types of there is water soluble and fat soluble. So those who are water soluble are fat insoluble. Those who are water insoluble, they are fat soluble. They are not dissolved in water. Understood? Yes or no? Now there are some this chart you have to draw. This is your homework. This is important chart. I am saying selling it to you again. This is an important chart. Okay, why it's an important? Because this chart they will ask you disease or function of vitamin A or what are the sources of this. This is important chart. I'm saying again. Okay, guys. Now there are some vitamins are there. It is discussed vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B1 2, vitamin C, D, E, K. So you can understand it like this. These vitamins are there. Now, these vitamins are necessary for our body, for normal functioning of our body or normal growth of our body. Now, vitamin A. Did you heard from your parents or grandparents or great grandparents that if your eyesight is weak, then eat carrots or carrot juice? Huh? You didn't heard? Yes, Johan heard that drink lot of carrot juice. Yes.
Mm.
Yeah. So why it's so? Because vitamin, the carrot juice has lot of vitamin A. Vitamin A is helps us for the um, for helping us for the normal vision. Like if your vision is poor, then it will help us uh, to normalize that vision. Okay. So basically, this is by the vitamin A. Vitamin A source is milk, carrot, tomatoes, egg. It helps us eyes and skin healthy. And if it is not there, vitamin is not there, then it is called as night blindness. Now, what is night blindness? Night blindness means these are the persons in the daytime because of the strong sunlight, they can see everything. But when the sunlight become dim or the light become dim, then what will happen? They're not able to see. This is called as night blindness. In the night only they will get blindness. Yeah. So, very good. So, vitamin A is that thing. If it is not there, then deficiency disease, we will have night blindness. Now, guys, this table is very important. I'm saying it again. In MCQs, they will ask that if vitamin A is not there, then what disease we will have? We will have night blindness disease. Like this, they will ask. So, this table is very, very important. Yes, Hannah. Okay. Now, vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, this disease called as beriberi. Beriberi is a disease. It will affect the nervous system. Like you're not if you want to touch that thing, you're not able to feel that thing. Okay, so this is called as beriberi. Why? Because you are deficient with the vitamin B1. You have to eat green leafy vegetables, which is hard for us. We have to eat meat, which is easy for us. We have to eat, we have to drink milk, which is very, very, very hard for us because in milk we need Horlicks or Bonvita or something so that it becomes chocolatey. Then only we can drink it. Yeah. So I'm touching the hard portions of your life, guys. Okay. So this is the thing. But we need these things so that we will be aware, like we will be away from this very, very disease. Now, vitamin B12 is liver. My God, whom liver? It's not mentioned who liver, whom liver, or so it's basically the chicken liver or some liver organism liver that you are eating. Okay, so what is the problem in that? Vitamin B12, if it is not there, then you will have anemia. Now, do you know anemia? What is anemia? Anemia, like I'll tell you, in our body, there is called as red blood cells. You know red blood cells, RBCs? RBCs are red in color. Why? Because of pigment hemoglobin. Like plants has pigment, green color chlorophyll. Na? The RBCs have red color pigment called as hemoglobin. Now, this hemoglobin is important. Okay. Why? Because hemoglobin is like a Zomato boy. You know Zomato? What Zomato do? It takes food from the restaurant and give it to the person who ordered that. Yes, this is the role of Zomato or Swiggy. So in the same way, hemoglobin has the same role. It takes oxygen from the lungs and it gives to the cell. Now, if hemoglobin is less, then less oxygen will go. Yes or no? If hemoglobin is less, then less oxygen will go. If less oxygen will go, then our body requirement of oxygen will not be fulfilled and we will feel tired. We don't have to do, we will feel like, I don't want to do any work because I'm feeling tired. If I will do more work, then it becomes tiredness. So this is why, because you are lacking with vitamin B12, and because of that, there is less hemoglobin, and less hemoglobin have anemia in your body. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now, vitamin C. Vitamin C is called as scurvy. Now, scurvy, you can understand it like this. Uh, did you eat apple like just without cutting? You just bite it from your mouth. Okay. If you will search now, yeah, if you will search now, then you will, when you will eat that part, you will see that what the bite which you took. Okay, if it is red color, if it become red color, na, like you took a bite, the white portion become like if it has blood on that apple, so it means that you are having scurvy. Now, what is scurvy? Scurvy is why, because scurvy is the thing in your gums cells and its bleeding starts. Okay, in your gum cells, like this part. If my camera is working, let me check. Yeah. So no, it's not working. Okay. So scurvy is basically there is a problem in gums. Okay. Now next part is sunlight. Sunlight. Okay. Now sunlight. Sorry. Vitamin D. Vitamin D can be fulfilled by sunlight, milk, whole grains, vegetables. Okay. Now, do you know rickets? Rickets is basically disease in the bone affecting children. Like for example, their bones are not straight or not strong. Their bones are very soft or deformed. It is because of lacking of vitamin D. This it occurs in children's a lot, or the older one a lot. Why? Because they need vitamin D so that their bones will be strong. Okay, so this is all the rickets, and vitamin E is basically vegetable. Like if you will eat vegetable oils, milk, this will then it will help. Now it helps in fertility. Fertility means for reproduction, male needs sperm and female needs ova. So that will be improved by consuming by vitamin E. Okay. Now, vitamin K, if it is not there, then you will have excessive bleeding. Like if it is cut in your body, then you're not able to stop that bleeding because you are lacking with vitamin K. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? So read this, quickly read this. Done? Okay. Now, Now we'll learn about minerals. So there are four types of minerals that we should know. Iron. I told you iron forms hemoglobin. If it is not there, then you will have anemia. Now, eating iron doesn't mean that you are just going and you are eating iron. That I need iron. It's not like that. Okay, or you are taking magnet and you are searching for the iron. If it is door handle made up of iron, then you are eating that, you are trying to eat that. The sir said us to eat iron. Okay, be careful. Huh? It's not like that. You need iron in the form of which is in the food. Okay, spinach. It's a great source of iron. Okay, or a green leafy vegetable. It's a great source of iron. Okay, eat that, not the raw iron, which is door handle. No. Okay, or eggs, meat. Yeah, that you can eat. Wow, it's become rhyme. Eggs, meat that you can eat. Wow. So this is like you can get iron source from that. It forms hemoglobin, which helps us in the transportation of oxygen to the cells. Simple as that. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. Okay. Third is calcium. Calcium, we are learning from our childhood time. Oh, beta, drink milk, then you will have a great strong bones. Yeah, because of the calcium. Mama is not telling a lie. It's calcium that helps us to strong the bone. Okay. Potassium. Potassium is making our osmotic balances. Like for example, I don't know you heard or not. I mean, you observe or not. Uh, like who loves to have a marriage sorry a wedding food, like wedding food, I will eat. Yeah, we have all this ideology. Like in my times, when I was not in the Lord, then but do you know what happened? My dada, so we have wedding in, like today evening we will have wedding like this. It is program came from, invitation came from some guy. Okay, so Dada will say, "Hey, why are you eating? It's a morning breakfast we are doing. Hey, why are you eating? Huh? You will have wedding feast in night. Why you're eating? Why are you eating? Why are you eating? I mean, it's a breakfast time. So if you will become hungry, then you will know what happened. That in a marriage you can eat a lot. Okay, so like this we used to do. So what was I'm trying to say? If you will eat a lot of wedding food, na, then you will, if you will come home, na, then you will drink a lot of water. Is it happen to you? Lot of water. Oh, mama, the food doesn't make my stomach full, but the water makes my stomach full. Why? Because in wedding feast the salt concentration is more, and because of that your body need a lot of water to digest that salt or to remove the salt from your body. Okay, this is called as osmotic balance. So if you're taking potassium, your osmotic balance will be good. Otherwise you have to drink a lot of water. Okay. Iodine, we know that it's goiter will happen. Yeah, you will have a swollen neck. Okay, if you are not eating iodine in a adequate amount. Then water, water is important role. Yeah, you can learn this. So raw vegetables also do. So tomorrow we'll do this balanced diet topic, and uh, till here we will do now only. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye. Have a nice day.